Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I do have another fragrance video for you guys, and it is with Dossier. So Dossier is not new to my channel, as you guys already know that I say that in every video that I do with this company. So today I have two fragrances that I'm going to be trying out for you guys and giving you guys all the details and things on Dossier. So what I'm going to do is tell you guys all about the company, and then I will tell you guys all the details about the fragrances that I chose for today's video. So if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and like this video. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not already. Please be sure to share with your family and friends, you guys, because don't forget, sharing is caring. I love y'all, and let's get into today's video. So just to tell you guys a bit about Dossier. Dossier is a company that makes inspired by fragrances, you guys. One thing I love about Dossier is their price range, you guys. Their prices range from $29 all the way up to $49. So basically what Dossier does is they take a fragrance that you are familiar with and they make an inspired fragrance from that particular scent. So yes, they also have fragrances for women and men and unisex, you guys. So if you like a fragrance and you feel like your husband, boyfriend, or whoever you may be buying the fragrance for may like it as well, y'all, you can let them use it too. I do that sometimes with babe, because I'm like, babe, I feel like this smells really good on you. With that being said, you and I both can smell real luxury, but I also did not want to forget to let you guys know that Dossier, you guys, has made it to Walmart. So you can find Dossier products at your local Walmart. I'm going to leave their store locator in my description box below, so that way you guys can put it in wherever you live. That way you can find it in your local Walmart, you guys. How exciting. And let's not also forget to give Dossier
congratulations,
guys, because they made it to Broadway. How exciting, right? So the first fragrance that I'm going to be telling you guys all about is Ambery Orange Blossom, you guys, and this is 50 ml. So this is how the packaging looks. This is how the packaging looks on the inside. You get another quote. It says, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Your fragrance, and you have your little notepad, note card, you guys, sorry, and it says Ambery Orange Blossom. So the notes in this one is, the top notes is violet, mimosa, lang lang. Middle notes is orange blossom, gardenia, and tuberose. The base notes is vanilla, sandalwood, and orris. Concentration is 15%, and the inspired scent behind this one is Estee Lauder Beautiful. So you guys, what I like to do is take my fragrance and spray on the back of this card. Smells good so far, y'all. Just smelling it like that. 2 pumps. This one smells classy, smells sophisticated. Yeah, it's giving sophisticated. It's giving I got money, I'm a boss. So I like this. It smells really, really good. So I think what I really smell right now is sandalwood, a little bit of violet, and a little bit of the orange blossom. Smells really, really good. So that is a yes, and we like that one. So let's get on to the next one. Alright, y'all, so the next fragrance that I will be trying out for you guys is Gourmand Orange Blossom. And this is what the packaging looks like as well. When you open it, you get the same quote, note card. Here is your fragrance, you guys. Gourmand Orange Blossom. So the top notes in this one is orange blossom, black rat, hazelnut. The middle notes is iris, jasmine, sambac, patchouli. Base notes is praline, vanilla, and tonka bean, you guys. So you guys already know what I'm going to do. Spray it on the note card again. And let's go ahead and see what this one smells like. Twice. Fan it on out. Yeah. Alright. Let's get the husband's approval on this one. Baby, come smell this. and see what he thinks. Cause this one smells good, but I can't really choose from both of them. I love both of them, so. But I'm gonna let him see what it's smelling like. Bacon, smell it. Give us your opinion on how you think this smells. Smell it. You like it? What does it smell like to you?
Money.
They said this one smell like money. This one is the Gourmand Orange Blossom. Okay, what about this one? You like the smell?
I love me.
Smell it.
It's my really.
I love this one. This one smell fancy and rich, right? This one, both of them, I like both of them, y'all. I can't choose. I like both. So this one is the Ambery Orange Blossom. This one is the Gourmand Orange Blossom. I like both of them, you guys. And I can't really choose which one. This one is my favorite. So we're going to say both of them is my favorite. I'm going to leave all of Dossier's information in my description box below. That way you guys can be sure to shop with them. And don't forget what I told you guys before. Dossier is in your nearest Walmart. So I will be sure to leave their Walmart location indicator down in my description box as well, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out when you hit your Walmart, because I know, let's be honest, everybody goes in Walmart. So yeah, y'all, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Hey guys, good morning whenever you guys will be watching this video. So I know I told you guys in the last video that if the test came back positive, I was going to end up telling Babe, because I didn't know what was going on. So right now I'm here at my doctor's office this morning, getting another pregnancy test, and hopefully they draw some blood to see what's going on, why did I have my period. So hopefully I'll find something out, then I can be able to let you guys know what's going on. So I'll talk to you guys later. If you guys are new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys sharing is caring. I love y'all, and I'll talk to you in a little while. Alright, y'all, so I'm out of my doctor's appointment, and my test was positive, you guys. So I did end up getting some lab, 13. So I did end up getting some lab, you guys, and yeah. So I'm very confused, you know. Like I said, I had a period, y'all. It actually stopped on like my 4th day, and she was like, it's not normal or whatever, you guys. So yeah, so I'm very shocked, confused. Anyway, I just want to come and tell you guys that the results is in, that the test was positive at my doctor's office, which was a urine ACG test. So I got some labs to get my ACG levels through my blood work. So I'll come back in a couple of days. I'll come back in a couple of days and let you guys know the results to that, and then we'll go from there, you guys. Because today is Thursday, and she said if it is going up or whatever, if it is high levels, then I would need to come back on Monday. So I'll update you guys then. Come on, come this way.